Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see if you have Hero GoPro 13. So in this video we will see how to format memory card using GoPro Hero 13. So now let's start demonstration on GoPro screen. So let's start demonstration. This is a GoPro Hero 13 Black. Now I just format this memory card using tips and tricks. Just turn it on. So now GoPro is a turn it on. Just simply up to down scroll, and here you need to search here the preferences. Tap here the preferences, scroll down, and here the reset option is available. You just simply tap here. After that, the first option is showing here, format SD card. You just simply tap and boom, format SD card. Delete all files and reformat your SD card. That's it. Now memory card is a format going on, and this is a simple tips and tricks to format SD card in GoPro Hero 13 Black. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.